Alright, so you now have Cydia on your device, and then you get this update here, and you accidentally do this, and this, and then you open Cydia again, and you get this error type thing. And then all of a sudden, you can't install anything on Cydia anymore. It doesn't work. You've tried respringing, you've tried rebooting, you've tried everything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually fix this. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So to fix this, you will need a computer. You can use a Mac or a PC. And you will need an SSH client like CyberDuck. This is the one that I use, and it is available on both Mac and PC, so I recommend you use that. And then you want to SSH into your device. So you can do this by opening your connection, putting your IP address in here, and putting the username and password. By default, the username should be root, and the password should be alpine. And then you want to make sure you're using the SSH file transfer protocol. Now, I'm already connected here, so I don't need to do that. But you want to go ahead and click the link in the description below to install a deb package. So this one here, which I've just downloaded. And you do not want to extract this. You need this full file to actually fix the issue. So then you want to make sure you're on your root folder here. And then you want to go into private. And then you want to go into VAR. Look for mobile here. And then you want to drag this into documents. Wait for the file to transfer over. Alright, so once you've done that here in CyberDuck, you want to click go, and you want to do open in terminal. It will connect to your phone automatically, and you want to put in your root password. So by default, that is Alpine. Then you press enter. So then you want to copy and paste the command that will be in the description below. So do that, and then it should delete the thing automatically. And it will actually also respring your device. And then once you've done that, you want to jump onto your phone and you can open Cydia. And you will get this pop-up. So do not tap Upgrade Essentials, just tap Ignore. Go into Changes here, and you want to tap on the APT 0.7 strict lib. And you want to tap Change Package Settings and toggle on Ignore Upgrades. So then you will not have this thing upgrade and have to repeat that whole process again. And that is it. You can now install tweaks again and do everything you were doing before with Cydia. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, let me know by leaving a thumbs up down below. And if you are still having issues with this, feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. And if you are new around here and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon next to it, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video.